You know those days, the ones where all you really want is a moment to yourself, a chance to just unplug and unwind? Well, that feeling is exactly what this is all about. So imagine this. You drop one of these into your tub. The water just comes alive with these fizzy, effervescent bubbles, and this wonderful, long-lasting fragrance starts to fill the air. Then, when you step in, you feel it. That silky, comforting layer on your skin from the sea salt and plant extracts.
Now, we believe relaxation should feel good, inside and out. That's why we're so focused on making our bath bombs with pure, organic ingredients that you can actually feel good about.
Our formula is really simple. We use shea butter because it deeply moisturizes your skin. Sea salt infuses your bath water with all these great minerals. Those beautiful fragrances, they all come from natural plant extracts. And that silky feel is created with just a touch of cornstarch. That's it.
And we really stand behind this formula. Every bath bomb is handmade, they're 100% vegan, and, of course, cruelty-free. They're also paraben-free, which means they're gentle enough for sensitive skin and even safe for kids to use.
So what do these clean ingredients actually do for you? Well, that pure shea butter leaves your skin feeling soft for a full 24 hours. The water gets infused with 5 essential trace minerals that help nourish your body. And maybe the best part for cleanup, the colors are completely water-soluble. They rinse right away, leaving 0 residue or stains in your tub.
So why a 14-piece set? Because this isn't about just one bath. It's about having a complete spa experience ready to go whenever you might need it.
That's the feeling we're talking about. That fizz, that fragrance. That's the direct result of using quality, natural ingredients. It's not complicated, it's just good.
All right, so what exactly do you get in the box? We designed this set to give you weeks of relaxation, making sure you always have one on hand.
Every single box comes with 14 unique bath bombs.
And let's be clear, these are not tiny sample sizes. Each one is a full 100 grams, which is a really generous size. It's perfect for creating a vibrant, fragrant bath every single time, with a whole variety of colors and scents to choose from.
We also thought about the little details. Each bath bomb is individually wrapped to keep it fresh, and we even include a small cutting tool right in the box to make unwrapping them easy and safe. It's just a nice little touch.
If this sounds like something you need in your life, you can find all the details by using the link we've put in the description.
So, let's talk about how you can bring this whole spa experience right into your own home.
Really, this set is just a simple way to make sure you always have a moment of real self-care ready when you need it most. It's about making relaxation accessible, not another thing you have to plan.
To get your own 14-piece set, just use the link that's waiting for you in the description.